Welcome, I'm Phil Conrad, the instructor for CS48 Spring 20. This video will show you how to use Zoom and YouTube to create a video demo for your minimum viable product, your MVP. I suggest that you start by opening up a web browser on this page. This is the Teams page for CS48, and you can find the production app for your team here in this column. So for example, if you're in the 12 p.m. section on the budget team, you would click here to bring up your production version of your app. The first time you bring it up, of course, on Heroku, there's a delay. So you want to bring it up and let that delay already be done before you start your video. So I'm going to navigate back to this screen, and I'm going to go ahead and start Zoom. So I'll do that by opening a web browser and going to ucsb.zoom.us and signing in with my UCSB NetID and password. I already happen to be logged in. I'll go up here to host a meeting with video on. Click that, and that will open up Zoom. And then once we're in Zoom, if other members of your team are going to participate in your video, you can wait for them to join. Otherwise, you can just jump right in. So we'll start by going ahead and sharing the screen before we even start recording. That way, I've got my screen shared. I've got my video up here with my face. And I think we're ready to start. Let me go ahead and get my screen ready though. So I'll be here and I'll be ready to bring up my production application and do my demo. So once I've got that all set, I'll go here to More, go to Record, and we'll go in 3, 2, 1. I'll sort of count myself in, and then I'll start the demo. I'm going to give a demo of the budget app. It won't be a real demo, but it'll kind of show you how this would go. Hi, my name is Phil Conrad. I'm a member of the 12 p.m. section, the budget team, and I'm going to demonstrate our minimum viable product. So I'll click here on the production app link, and as you can see, we have a budget visualizer with a monthly expense. If I enter the total of my monthly expenses, let's say $1,000, and click Submit, then a value was submitted for $1,000, and then I would continue and describe the entire app. And when I'm done, I'd say, thank you for watching. And then I would go to stop recording. I wouldn't say that, but I would do it. Once you've stopped the recording, you have to end the meeting in order to actually get the file with the recording. So we'll end the meeting. And when the meeting ends, you should see this box pop here, up here, converting meeting recording. And it should take only a few seconds. And when that's done, it will pop up and you'll have a file zoom_0.mp4. That's the video recording of your demo. And it will be in a file called Zoom and then a folder with the date and the time. On my computer, which happens to be a Mac, it's under pconrad Documents, Zoom, and then there's the file. So the next step is to upload this to YouTube. So to do that, I'm going to go to another browser window where I already have YouTube up. So in YouTube, you want to go to this little hamburger icon, and that will bring up a sidebar where you can select your videos. And then from your videos, there's a button here for YouTube Studio. The first time you go into this, it'll take you through a tour of YouTube Studio. I've already done that, so we're just going to go here to Create and then Upload Videos. And I will select the file from my most recent Zoom recording. Let's just make sure that that is the right one. So that Zoom recording is this one from 9:58. And we'll select that zoom0.mp4. And then that is going to be uploading. And then I will give it a title. I might say that this is CS48. And I might say this is the budget team demo. And I'll say this is actually just a sample, not really budget teams demo, just so there's no confusion. And then I'll make this window a little bigger so you can see some other options here. I think that's all we need to do in this. Oh, yes, we do need to come down here and say, no, it's not made for kids. That doesn't mean that it's adult content. It just means that, we don't have to comply with all this stuff here. It's not content made for kids. We don't need to put an age restriction on it. We'll go ahead and click next. We don't need to worry about this for now. And then for publish, we will go with unlisted. And that, I think, is all we need to do on this screen. Click save. And then we get a link. So then I will close this window. And it'll take a little while before it's available to watch online. You can come back here at any time and go to, let's see, I think if you go to videos and then go to, yes, in this, you'll see that this one is here. Actually, it looks like this one might be all ready to go. If I click on it and click play. Hi, my name is Phil Conrad. I'm a member of the 12 p.m. And you can see it's on YouTube. So that is how we do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can put those on the channel, the general channel on the Slack, and let us know if you have any difficulties. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing your videos on Thursday. I will give you some instructions on Tuesday as to how to submit the links to the video. Okay, thanks for watching.